Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the fresh food door gasket in your GE refrigerator. It's going to be a relatively easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife, petroleum jelly, a blow dryer, and a plastic hammer. When you open up the package, you will get a new door gasket. To eliminate all the bends and warping caused by the package, leave it in a bathtub filled with hot water for a few hours, or leave it stretched out under the sun. The purpose of a door gasket is to seal the compartment and prevent warm air from getting inside. The typical door gasket has a built-in magnetic strip that ensures a tight seal against the metal cabinet. The main reason you would need to replace this part is because it loses its magnetic abilities, or the gasket itself is torn, allowing warm air to seep inside. Let's take off the old gasket. This door gasket is a push-in style, where the ridge at the back of the gasket is installed into the groove in the door frame. So, to remove the old gasket, we will use the putty knife to pop it out and then pull it completely off the door. This is the old fresh food door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have the part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's install the new gasket. Make sure that the groove area is clean and dry. Start the installation with putting the corners first. Now let's move on to the bottom corners. If this shelf is on the way, you can just pull it up. And from this point, we can work the gasket around. If you can't push the gasket by hand, you can use a plastic hammer to gently tap it in. Let's close the fresh food door and open the freezer door. Check if there are any gaps between the gasket and the frame. We're going to use the blow dryer to heat the gasket in any uneven areas. Be very swift in your motion or you're going to burn the gasket. Knock the edge of the door with the other hand while you're heating the door gasket, allowing the magnet strip to shape it up. Let's open up the door now. Apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly around the gasket. Put back any shelves that you took out of the door. Let's close the door and run your finger up and down the gasket. It's best if you can keep the door closed for as long as possible. Clean the gasket after 5 to 7 days. And now we can close the freezer door, plug it back in, and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.